Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine and in the best health and safety. So in this video, inshallah, I will explain for you how to use your phone as a webcam for PC using Camo Studio. So follow me until the last, our dear viewers, and don't forget to keep like and subscribe in my channel to have new videos. First step is download it and uninstalling Camo Studio. You click in the link you will find in description. Change the language to English. Then click in Downloads. Click in Downloads for Windows. Enter your email and click in Send. Send me an invite. Go to your email and search the new message. And click in Go to Downloads or Complete Account Stop. Then tap a password. And click Download for Windows. I already downloaded the program. Now we go to the installation process. Click in it and then click in Next. Until the program is installed in your PC. Open your mobile phone and go to Play Store. Tap Camo in the search bar. Install the app in your phone, then open it. The last step, connect the mobile phone with your PC. In your phone, go to Developer Options. Activate USB debugging. And open the app in your phone. Open the app in your PC. The last step, connect the mobile phone with your PC. In your phone, go to Developer Options. Activate USB debugging. And open the app in your phone. Open the app in your PC. And the camera will be activated inshallah. And camera will be activated inshallah. That's all our dear viewers. Thank you very much for watching until the last. My best wishes for you. I forgot last thing. To record with the phone camera with Camo Studio, go to your program of recording and may I use this program Record and click in OBS Virtual. Or Camo. That's all our dear viewers. Thank you for very much for watching until the last. My best wishes for I forgot last thing. To record with the phone camera with Camo Studio, go to your program of recording and may I use this program Rec Master or Camo. That's all our dear viewers. Thank you very much for watching until the last. My best wishes for